Hi everyone, my name is Sujoy Ghosal and I'm an app developer, and I'm going to demonstrate an app I'm submitting for the Hackerearth competition on the travel and transportation theme. So the app that I've developed is called BusTracker, and I'm going to run through the app to show some of its features and functionalities. So this project basically comprises of two apps. One is the BusTracker, which is supposed to be used by bus commuters, and the other one is a driver app. And that is generally installed in an Android device inside the bus, which the driver operates in order to track the location of the bus and send push alerts to the passengers. So the idea of the app is from the passenger app, one can select different routes where buses are plying in a particular city. So these are some pre-configured routes already created for my app, and I can select one particular route and view all the bus stops on that route. And next I can select particular stops of my interest, and I can subscribe for notifications related to these bus stops. So what that means is when the bus driver is driving the bus, and when he is approaching a particular bus stop, he can trigger push alerts from the driver app, and if I'm subscribed for events or notifications for the bus stop, I will get the alert that the bus is arriving at this stop, or about the current location of the bus. So on the passengers app, I also have integration to Google Maps. So instead of subscribing for alerts to specific bus stops of my interest from this list adapter, I can actually view the stops on Google Map, and based on the location of a particular bus stop in a city, I can choose to subscribe for that stop. So I have subscribed for a few stops for bus alerts now. Now let's launch the other app, which is the driver app. So the driver app is supposed to be installed on an Android device inside the bus for obvious reasons, for it has to track the actual location of the bus. And the driver can also view the different routes and select the route where he is driving on a particular day, and then he can view the different stops just the same as the passenger. So when the bus driver is actually driving the bus and he is approaching a particular bus stop, he can actually trigger push alerts, and the passengers who are subscribed for notifications for this particular stop will get a push alert on the notification tray. So I'm selecting say 4 different bus stops from the driver app, and the reason I want to do that is I don't want to only alert passengers of the stop where the bus is arriving right now. I may want to alert the passengers for the next 2 or 3 stops as well, so they have enough time to plan their journey to the bus stops. Let me just try triggering the push alert and see if I get a notification, and let me clear up my notification tray. So when I hit the button here, you see I received a notification saying arriving shortly at University on Route 10, which is the bus stop of my interest and subscribed to. Let's give it a shot again, because I was getting other alerts through other apps. Let's try sending this alert again. You see I got a push alert alerting me. So this is triggered by the bus driver manually from this app, and all passengers who are subscribed for this particular stop can get alerts, and then they can plan their journey accordingly. This driver app also has integration to Google Maps, so the driver can actually trace the route of the bus. And another feature in the driver app that I want to show is the location push. So there's a small slider button here which can be enabled or disabled, and once it's set on, the app will start pushing the current coordinates of the device onto a cloud server through an API call, So the current geo coordinates will get stored on the server every 10 seconds when this location push button is turned on. And this feature can be used by the passenger app. So it has integration to the API running on cloud to track the actual location of the bus. So when I hit the track buses en route, I can actually see the position of a moving bus by tracking its geo coordinates from the cloud storage. So that's about the functionality of the app, and hope you like the demo. Just want to briefly run through some of the technology stack that has been used for this project. So these are native Android applications written in Java, and I'm using the APG Edge platform as a cloud service for writing my Node.js code and hosting the microservices on APG cloud. And I'm using Cassandra as the data store that is also on APG cloud provided by the APG backend as a service feature, and using push notification through GCM handshakes also abstracted by APG. So that's about the project. Check out the apps and send me any questions or comments or feedback you may have. Email ID sujoy.ghosal, GHOSL at gmail.com, and you can also download the presentation I prepared as part of this project and the Hackerearth submissions, where you get my detailed contacts and phone numbers. So look forward to your comments and suggestions, and hope you enjoy the demo and enjoy the app. Thank you very much.